Tineco Floor 1 Chorus Unboxing. The most powerful combination of floor washer and vacuum cleaner. The floor washer handle. Crevice brush easily gets into the tight spots. Suitable for cleaning dust beneath furniture, sofa, and more. Two-in-one dusting brush. Accessory holder, used for accessories. The adapter. Mite removal brush, suitable for cleaning mattresses and removing mites. The vacuum cleaner tube. Need to be used in combination. Replacement soft brush, suitable to use on laminate, linoleum, sealed wood floor, marble, and more. Three-in-one cleaning tool, a full brush to clean dirty water tank, brush chamber, and more. Filter holder. Hepa Filter captures 99.99% of particles ejected while cleaning, including particles as small as 0.3 microns, expels non-allergenic fresh air. The host of floor washer. The 3-in-1 docking station, to store your machine and replacement accessories. The cleaning solution, remove dirt, grime, grease, and tough stains from hard surface. Multitasker power brush, ideal for indoor carpets and hard floors use. Effectively agitating dirt embedded in the carpet. Charging station, conveniently stores your machine and replacement accessories, while allowing for contained, tidy self-cleaning and charging.